आज हम केमिकल बॉन्डिंग का वीडियो नंबर 3 लेकर आया हूँ। ये वीडियो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है ऑर्गेनिक एंड इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के लिए। टॉपिक से हाइब्रिडाइजेशन ऑफ सेंट्रल एटम विथ गिवन फ्यू एग्जाम्पल फॉर ए पार्टिकुलर कंपाउंड। चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करता है। द फ्यू एग्जाम्पल फॉर फर्स्ट टाइम आई read in the previous few data for VSPR theory according to bond pair electron and lone pair electron and their shape. Different hybridization sp3, sp3d, sp3d2 and d3. The few example are also VSPR model. We write on the board. The previous lecture I described about it. Then the formula of lone pair electron, hybridization number minus number of surrounding atom. Then the shape in a particular shape, that means octahedral, trigonal, bipyramidal. If any shape, the axial position always 2. The position or number of position of axial position is 2, one upward position and one downward position. And that is Ca means that central atom always occupy in the middle portion, central portion and the corner portion. Between the central portion and the corner portion, this position is known as equatorial position. So in this structure, 4 are equatorial position and 2 are axial position. Always axial position, up and down position, and remaining the central atom and the corner position are equatorial position. So some few example we describe their shape and the structure. Suppose we consider PCl5. Step 1. Counting total number of valence electron. That means phosphorus, first time phosphorus valence electron 5, chlorine atom valence electron 7, number of chlorine atom 5. So total valence electron 5 plus 35, 40. Then the short tricks, if T dot V dot E, that means total valence electron of compound greater than 8 to less or equal to 56, then hybridization procedure. Hybridization is equal to counting valence electron minus 8 divided by 8. So in this species, total number of valence electron 40 divided by 8, that means 5. So hybridization is sp3d. Then counting lone pair electron is equal to formula hybridization number minus surrounding atom. Surrounding atom is chlorine, number of surrounding atom 5, hybridization number 5. So central atom 0, lone pair electron of central atom 0. So with few data we know that hybridization number is equal to bond paired electron plus lone paired electron. Total hybridization number 5. We cannot know bond paired electron, but lone paired electron counted 0. So bond paired electron 5 minus 0, that means 5. So given data, bond paired electron 5, lone paired electron 0, hybridization sp3d, hybridization name sp3d. Then we follow the table. Hybridization name sp3d, this hybridization. Bond pair 5, lone pair 0, bond pair 5, lone pair 0. Then structure, the shape of the molecules trigonal pyramidal. So the shape of the PCl5 molecule, trigonal bipyramidal, that means TBP, trigonal bipyramidal. We previously I say the structure always from the structure draw from geometry. If lone pair 0, If lone pair 0, then shape and geometry are also same. Structure draw from geometry. What is the structure of trigonal bipyramidal? This is the trigonal bipyramidal. Always central atom occupy middle position, central atom phosphorus. Then these corner position are known as equatorial position. 3 equatorial position and 2 always axial position. Number of chlorine atom 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total number of valence electron 5. We also this structure given draw the upper position. प्लीज इसको क्विक छाप लो आपको कॉपी में. Then the structure of then the shape of the PCl5 is trigonal bipyramidal. So PCl5 shape TBP, trigonal bipyramidal. Then draw the structure. Trigonal bipyramidal structure are this structure. This is the trigonal bipyramidal structure. Central position always central atom. The central atom and the corner position is known as central position and the corner position is known as equatorial position. Then this is the axial position. 5 chlorine atom occupy this position. 3, 4, 5. So this is the structure of TBP. Bond angle, this bond angle, TBP structure 90 degree and one bond angle 120 degree. This is the bond angle. Then the shape of the this is the procedure. First time hybridization method apply, then the name of the hybridization, then counted the lone pair electron, then counted lone pair electron of the central atom. Then next formula, hybridization is equal to bond pair plus lone pair electron. Bond pair electron for PCl5 hybridization number is 5. We cannot know the unknown data bond paired electron, but the lone pair electron is counted 0. So bond paired electron 5. Then the data are given below: bond pair electron 5, lone pair electron 0, hybridization name sp3d. This data can help from the VSPR model. sp3d hybridization, bond pair 5, lone pair 0. Structure, shape of the molecule, trigonal bipyramidal. This is the trigonal bipyramidal. Then the shape of the trigonal bipyramidal is this is the trigonal bipyramidal formation. Then next example PCl3. Next example is PCl3. Then we first counted PCl3. Then step 1, number 1, total valence electron, TVE, that means total valence electron. Phosphorus 5, chlorine 7 into 3, that means 26 total valence electron. Then the range between, then the rules 2, we say that the rules 2, the previous video I say the rules 2, if TVE total valence electron between greater than 8 to less or equal to 56, then age is, then calculate age is hybrid total number of valence electron, counted valence electron 26 divided by 8. This is the procedure. So this dividing process are normal process. 28, always normal process dividing formula. 26 divided by 8. So first time 3, 24. The remaining portion is 2. The remaining portion always divided by 2. This is kept in mind. The remaining portion always divided by 2. So 2, 1, 2 cancel. These two results are at 3 plus 1. So 4. Hybridization number 4. Then name is sp3. Then counted lone pair electron, LP electron of central atom. LP electron, hybridization number minus surrounding atom. Surrounding atom, the number of surrounding atom 3 chlorine atom. Hybridization number 4 minus 3, so 1. So lone pair electron 1. We also another formula, hybridization is equal to bond paired electron plus lone pair electron. Hybridization number 4, bond pair electron unknown data, lone pair electron counted 1. So bond paired electron should be 4 minus 1 3. This data scan bond paired electron 3, lone paired electron 1, hybridization name sp3. Then this data help VSEPR model. Hybridization sp3, this data, bond pair 3, lone pair 1, bond pair 3, lone pair 1. Then the shape, pyramidal shape. So shape of the molecules, pyramidal. Then shape of the molecule, pyramidal. What is the pyramidal shape? And also one data may be added for sp3 hybridization, lone pair electron at axial position. If central atom occupy lone pair electron, then the position of the lone pair electron always axial position. That means either up position or down position. Two position always axial position. So the structure, pyramidal shape structure. So the pyramidal shape structure for PCl3, always structure draw from geometrical structure. Structure of compound drawn by geometry. What is the geometry? Tetrahedral. sp3 geometry tetrahedral. So structure, central atom phosphorus middle center, then 3 chlorine position. This is the structure of pyramidal shape or V shape, any shape depends on the lone pair electron, but that structure draw from the geometrical structure. That means tetrahedrals, this is a tetrahedral species, one lone pair occupy. Lone pair are always position axial position for sp3. For sp3 hybridization, always lone pair occupy axial position. This is the axial position, up position and or down position. Up position is 1, up position is free. So this is the structure of PCl5. This is the structure of pyramidal shape. Pyramidal shape sp3 hybridization. One example, then next example, SO4 2 minus, as it also SO4 2 minus, IF5, BF3, CO2, also same procedure. Same. Next I describe about I3 minus. What is the structure, shape and geometry of the species, molecular species I3 minus or ionic species? For I3 minus, first time we know that iodine can belongs to group number 17. All group number 17 are halogen family. So all halogen family valence electron always 7. All halogen family valence electron is equal to 7. So I3 minus, first count total valence electron. That means iodine, number of iodine 3 per each iodine, valence electron 7. So 3 into 7 21. Then I3 minus means 1 extra electron. That means 1 electron should be added. If plus, then 1 electron minus should be minus 22. Next process, then counting the total valence electron 22. So this number are which limits are satisfied? We describe about two rules. If total valence electron less or equal to 8, then hybridization number is counting valence electron divided by 2. But if total valence electron greater than 8 to less or equal to 56, then the hybridization is counting valence electron divided by 8. Two rules, one less or equal to 8, second rules greater than 8 to less or equal to 56. This is the second rules. Rules number 2 follow this rule. Then this dividing process are normal process, 22 divided by 8, 8 to 16, so remaining 6, always remaining portion divided by 2, 2, 3, 6. So hybridization number 2 plus 3, this is the hybridization number. that means sp3d. So hybridization is sp3d. Next process, counting lone pair electron of central atom, that means iodine, central atom, hybridization number minus surrounding atom. This is the main important portion. What is now the number of surrounding atom? What is the number of surrounding atom? I3 minus. Total 3 iodine atom. Total 3 iodine atom are added in these molecules. So there is one must be central atom. There is one must be central atom due to central atom are less number of electron. Then one is central atom. Then the remaining 2 are surrounding atom. Then remaining 2 are surrounding atom. So surrounding atom number of 2, hybridization number 5 by 2, that means lone pair electron 3. Next procedure, we know that hybridization is equal to lone pair electron plus bond pair electron. Lone pair hybridization number 5, lone pair electron counted 3 plus bond pair electron. So we counted bond pair electron is equal to 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So this data is scanned. This data is scanned. प्लीज़ इसको क्विकली सब लोग आपको नोट में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो सकता है. 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Then next procedure, this data is scanned. What is the data? Hybridization sp3d, lone pair electron 3, bond paired electron 2. So this table follow VSPR model. Bond paired electron hybridization name sp3d, bond pair 2, lone pair 3. This is bond pair 2, lone pair 3. That means shape linear shape. So the I3 minus shape is linear shape. This is the easy process. This is the easy process for determination of hybridization method. Then easy process of the hybridization. Then the structure of, draw the structure of, so bond I3 minus bond pair 2, lone pair 3. I3 minus bond pair 2, hybridization 5, sp3d, data scan from bond pair electron 2, lone pair electron 3. Structure shape according to VSPR model, linear shape. So I3 minus I1 iodine is central atom. Then iodine, the valency of iodine is always 1. Halogen atom, and all the halogen atoms are valency is always 1. So I3 minus, this is the I3 minus, but one electron, one minus means one electron or one bonded or extra. So I3 minus, the shape of the molecule is linear shape. This is the I3 minus. Minus means one electron extra. That means central atom, the valence is 2. This central atom can seen the valence electron. The valence is 2. This is one bond. This is one bond. Then number of bond can follow the valency. Iodine has all the halogen atoms have valency is 1, but this iodine, central iodine, seen the valence is 2 due to presence of one extra ion. That means one electron, extra electron, that means one bond. Minus means one bond, but this iodine valency 1, this iodine valency 1, but central atom seen the valency 2 due to presence of anionic species, extra bonded electron. So this shape is linear shape, this shape is linear, bond angle 180-degree bond angle, this shape is linear. That means this structure fully not satisfied this process. Always sp3d structure is linear, but the structure draw by the geometry. What is the geometry for sp3d? Trigonal bipyramidal. Structure always draw from geometry. Always actual geometry of sp3d, trigonal bipyramidal. So central atom is iodine, one iodine this position. Then these 3 position, this is the equatorial position, these 3 are equatorial position and 2 are axial position. Then 3 are equatorial position and 1, 2 are axial position. So bond pair 2, lone pair 3. Lone pair 3 electron. This is the lone pair 3 electron. Lone pair are which of the position of the lone pair electron? This is the node. Lone pair electron at equatorial position. So equatorial position means this position, this position, this position. So we can draw the equatorial position lone pair, 3 lone pair, 1 lone pair, draw 1 lone pair, then the 1 lone pair. This is the equatorial position, 3 equatorial position. Equatorial position occupy lone pair electron. This is the lone pair electron. And 2 position are also empty, that is axial position. But the remaining 2 iodine atom, the surrounding atom 2, the surrounding atom 2 iodine atom. This is the place I. Then the shape of geometry shape is linear. Why it is justified the shape is linear? Then you first the lone pair electron is height. Then you first the lone pair electron is height. Then the remaining atoms are lies as a straight line. What is the shape of linear? This is checked by the lone pair electron. All the lone pair electron can be height by your hand. Then the remaining 3 atoms are occupied in the same line. So this is the linear position. So this is the process of hybridization method for surrounding for central atom in a particular compound. Next, then this is the complete video in this structure. The complete video in this structure for hybridization and its application, and the short tricks for quick in competitive exams. This is the full process. Then the board exam, the overlapping method can be important for board exam CBSE class 11. The next class we describe the overlapping method for the purpose of the determination of hybridization. Thank you very much. Complete. प्लीज़ इसको क्विक क्लियरली छाप लो, आपको लिए बहुत जानकारी है द VSPR theory, the hybridization number formula, and the structure, shape and their distribution, and the axial position and the equatorial position, all are very important for purpose of the shape. Always remember the shape only depends on lone pair electron. In all case the lone pair electron 0, shape and the tetrahedron shape and the geometry always same. In these topics we describe previous lecture number 2. Then this is the few example of this hybridization process. Thank you very much. Complete this video.